My name is Shannon, and today we're going to talk about 5 key things to look for in your quote for a new machine from any machine manufacturer. These tips will save you from making an expensive mistake. Number 1, does your quote include a machine efficiency guarantee? The quote should clearly guarantee the pouch per minute expected and overall machine efficiency. This number should be based on actual testing of your product and pouches to ensure that you have real-world feedback. Number 2, does your quote include specialized and proven patented solutions like zipper open, Lamy purge, WaveSmart, flexible funnel, AMS augmented funnels, and other named key components that will give you better speeds and efficiency? And number 3, does your quote specify that quality components such as Allen Bradley, Stick and Festo are used? And does that quote specify that your machinery supplier has the ability to integrate, supply, support accessory items like scales, printers, and check weighers? Number 4, does your quote specify the machine's compliance with certified standards like OSHA, CE, and USDA? Or are you as the buyer required to find out if the equipment could jeopardize your compliance? Number 5, does your quote include what can be offered in after-sales support like a dedicated CSR team, spare parts, maintenance, and 24-hour technical support? And finally, does your machine supplier have a working showroom that you're welcome to visit at any time? And are they able to offer you technical experts with combined experience over 50 years or more? Avoiding costly mistakes doesn't have to be hard. If you have any doubts of your machinery quote, then you should contact us immediately. My name is Shannon. Thanks for watching.